YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope all you guys doing good. Oh my gosh, I freaking love when it pops, bro. What kind of tune do even exist for Hellcats, man? I feel like I don't really see that much, like that many videos on Hellcats being tuned, but I really want to get mine tuned. Police on that side, they don't even care, bro. I love that. I love where I live, bro. Like, I can't believe it's already been, I can't believe it, but it's been over 3 years since I've had the Hellcat, bro. That's crazy. Right now I've been trying to live like with these two cars. I can manage really good, but I've been avoiding like even buying my own house yet, because I'm trying to keep my expenses low. I do want to buy another building and fully rent it out, so that's probably my next plan. Because there's so many tax benefits in buying a property, and I'd rather have someone else pay for my rent, bro. Like, if I can successfully rent out a commercial building for 25 years, bro, that's it. Paid off in cash. Dude, that's crazy. Like right now I'm thinking about getting a Urus mainly for the tax benefit, right? But I know it's not gonna satisfy the needs of like what I want in the car, because it's equivalent to an M5 but Audi. Literally, it's an Audi RS7 engine, and I'm already content with the M5. Shift slap. What the hell? Oh my god, I love this. I love this area, bro. There's no one to bother. It's all business hours over here, so no one's even freaking here. I love it. I love it, bro. Life is good, bro. All glory to God. gosh, bro. I love just cruising this car. I love how it's a 800 horsepower stock. But low-key, I think I'm gonna push it a little bit more. I keep talking about this, but like I want to do it. I want to find someone I can trust. Like that's literally all I'm waiting for, is to find someone I can actually trust to work on my cars. I just don't know anyone, bro. Every shop has a different opinion about different tunes. I don't even trust anyone anymore. Oh my fuck. Dude, what a blessing. You know, one thing I'll tell you guys is like having cars is cool, but if you have that feeling where like you need to buy Hellcats, like do or die, definitely I would rent it out, because the truth is, like, don't get me wrong, I love this car, but 90% of people I know that have one of these cars, they get sick of them within like 6 months. And honestly, I could kind of agree. Like the feeling you have the first 6 months doesn't, like, it's probably one of the best feelings you ever have. Is it worth a down payment? Is it worth losing value in a car if you try to sell it back? Is it worth the insurance, worth the gas? Like you're basically, your money's basically being sucked out, you know? So that's why I always tell people, like, if you're gonna waste your money in a car, like you gotta have the amount cash in the stock. So that's, and I tell people that because it's like, I wish I did that more. I wish that I kept that kind of principle. But nonetheless, bro, like anyone watch this video, like I hope you guys don't feel FOMO or anything like that, because it's an expense, and you gotta put your money, you gotta be smart with your money, bro. You gotta be smart with your money, because dude, 20 years from now, like the decisions you make now, you will benefit heavy 20 years. Like me wasting money on this, wasting money on M5, like I'm missing out on a lot. So that's what makes me want to work. That's what makes me work harder. And I was like thinking, dude, I was like this weekend I was chilling, and I'm like just relaxing, and I'm like, dude, honestly, life is cool, but low-key kind of boring. And I'm happy that I work and I do something that like nobody does, and it's a good paying job. Like obviously in the beginning it wasn't, right? But after some time, I'm just so happy, bro. Like I've hired friends and they still work for me, and they know me as their boss, but also as their friend, right? So there's obviously a balance. There has to be, obviously, right? And so far it's been amazing, man. We've been a killer team. You know, I freaking 4 guys that don't know anything, but we're bringing good numbers. And we were even able to acquire another company. I was actually able to acquire another company this year because of how efficient our team has been. That, dude, now I'm a distributor selling parts. Dude, it's amazing, bro. It's such a blessing. It's unbelievable. But yeah, that being said, I just want to make you guys feel better, because this car is cool, man. But like I said, like I keep saying, you know, you gotta be smart with your money. Like when the tariffs happened, bro, I was this is not financial advice, but I was loading up. This war happened, I was loading up. Like I said, I still didn't invest as much as I wanted to, but ooh, how much brake pads do I have? Oh my, dude, why do you gotta do that, bro? That freaked me out. But I know obviously why. But anyways, yeah, there's not that much left. I can kind of see it. Just gotta take off the wheel to really tell, but it's still awesome. And you know what's cool about what's good for you guys? Like anyone that doesn't have one and does want one, they're dropping in value super freaking fast. So I got cooked, but that's all right. It is what it is. I can't believe is the stock market the past like 6 weeks. I can't, bro. Can't freaking believe it. I hope you guys have been enjoying videos, man. Thank you for being consistent. Just literally me freaking driving. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, the goal of this channel straight up was just to have fun with these cars, look back 20 years, 30 years from now. But the main goal is to obviously like keep upgrading, hopefully, you know? And when things get really balanced out, like that's the goal, is just to keep freaking upgrading, dude. Unreal, bro. Probably one of the most favorite cars I've ever been in, man. I love the M5, but you want a lot more power, low key. Even though it's super fast, you want to feel aggression. That's why I freaking love the Hellcat. It's so freaking aggressive. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.